The die casting industry is a mainstay of American business. And although the manufacturing process has been around for over a century, today die casting has evolved into a highly automated process that delivers innovative products that are lightweight and high strength. What many people don't realize is castings are used in 90% of all finished goods, the things we use daily.
I don't even know if people really know what die casting is, to be honest, but it's such a fundamental part of everything that we use every day, and I think people often take that for granted, that this piece of aluminum just didn't exist in the form that you're currently using it.
So, what exactly is die casting? It is a manufacturing process that utilizes advanced technologies, engineering, and science to develop parts from metal. The metal is heated to a very high temperature until it becomes liquid, and then is injected at high pressure into a reusable steel die. The part is then rapidly cooled to solidify into the final shape. This process is like making ice cubes, where water takes the shape of the mold once cooled.
When I first saw a die casting machine make that first shot, it was just such a wild experience. There's so much power. It's such an exciting process.
I knew very little about die casting, and along the way I've learned quite a bit. But what I really like is that we make a part in almost one big operation. Obviously there's a little bit of cleaning up on that part afterwards, but we go from nothing to almost the full part in 10 seconds.
Die casting has a really bright future. I always thought coming into this internship that something like die casting in the industrial business would be something of the past. But looking at it now, I realize that we need industry more than ever. Americans now want most of their parts to be made in America. And because of that, I think the die casting business as a whole will succeed in the future.
Why should you care about die casting? For starters, it is part of the United States' robust manufacturing footprint. Die casters contribute over $8 billion to the nation's economy annually and provide over 50,000 jobs. And the industry offers people a variety of lucrative job opportunities, from engineering to CAD/CAM programming to automation experts and machine operators. Die casting requires people with different skill sets and education levels, but they all have one thing in common. They like making things from scratch.
So what's really neat about die cast, right, is you're taking nothing and creating something out of it, right? You're going from 0 to 1. I just think it's really exciting to be a part of that creation process.
Fun thing about die casting too is just the problem-solving aspect of it. So if you love working with your hands, if you love problem solving, I think this would probably be a good fit.
In die casting, we're the heartbeat. Without die casting, there's no transmissions, there's nothing.
There are many misperceptions about die casting, but the truth is, die casting is a safe and interesting career with opportunities for growth, the flexibility to live and work almost anywhere, and fair and competitive compensation packages, including employee benefits.
It's a good fit for me to work in die cast because there's a lot of automation and a lot of robots and automatic processes all around it.
For those just starting in their careers, apprenticeships and internships are good options to consider, allowing you to earn money while in high school or immediately upon graduation. Giving students a career advantage by gaining manufacturing experience results in higher paid positions or positions within engineering or management.
Die casting can offer an alternate career path to traditional college education. In die casting, you'll go to work right away, earning a paycheck, and we'll send you back to school for die casting education that will allow you to come out of it with an education and no student debt.
With more than 300 die casting companies across the U.S., there are a lot of opportunities to get in on the ground level and develop high-paid skills and secure a well-paid career. You should consider a career in the die cast industry to be part of a fast-paced, technologically advanced, forward-looking industry.